In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create report in Freshsales Studio. Reports are a great way to turn your data into something you can actually use. Instead of scanning through lists, you can organize key information in a clear format. If you follow along with me step by step, you will be able to create a report that shows exactly what you want to see. First, click Analytics in the sidebar. This is where Freshsales Studio brings together reporting and performance insights. When you click Analytics, you should see options related to reports and other analytical tools. Take a moment to confirm you are in the correct area before you move on, because the next buttons will only appear in the Analytics section. Next, click Plus New Report. This starts the process of creating a brand new report. You may see a menu or a builder page open immediately after you click. If the screen changes, that is expected. This is your starting point for choosing the structure of the report and deciding which data you want to include. Now click Add Widgets and choose Template. Widgets are the building blocks of your report. A template helps you get a clean starting layout, so you do not have to build everything from scratch. Look for the option that says Add Widgets, then select the template that matches the type of report you want to create. The template you pick will guide how the information will be displayed. After that, select Deals or Contacts. This choice determines the main dataset behind your report. If you want to track sales activity and pipeline information, choose Deals. If you want to focus on people in your CRM, choose Contacts. Selecting the right one matters, because it affects which fields and filters are available later. Once you have selected the data type, drag and drop your required fields. This is where you customize the report content. You should see a list of available fields and a workspace where you can place them. Drag each field you need into the report area. As you do this, pay attention to how the fields appear, because the report layout will update based on your selection. Keep it focused on the fields you actually want to analyze, so your report stays clear and easy to read. Next, set criteria in the Filter section. Filters let you narrow the report results to only what matters for your purpose. For example, you can limit results by certain conditions, which helps you avoid irrelevant records. When you are adding filter criteria, take a moment to review what the filter is targeting. A well-chosen filter makes your report more accurate and saves time when you come back to it later. After setting filters, select a group by field if using Summary. Grouping helps you see summarized results in a structured way. If your report includes a summary view, you will usually want to pick a group by field, so the summary is organized by a meaningful category, such as a field that represents grouping logic in your data. If you are not using a summary section, you may not need to set group by, but if the summary option is present, this step becomes important. Finally, click Save, name your report. Saving is what turns your draft into a report you can access again. When you click Save, you will be prompted to name the report, and that name should describe what the report shows. A clear name makes it much easier to find the report later, especially if you create multiple reports over time. After naming it, save to confirm and finish the setup. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.